I'm Will, an inbound strategist here at Blue Leads, and in this video, we're going to talk about Google's new Search Console experience. So as you know by now, Google recently rolled out the beta version of Search Console to its entire user base. The new Search Console experience features a sleek new UI and some new features, including a revamped version of Search Analytics, which is now called the Performance Report, the Index Coverage Report, the AMP Status Report, and in some Search Consoles, the Job Postings Report. In addition to these new and useful reports, we also have the ability to share our reports across our organization. Let's take a closer look at each new feature to see what it means for marketers like you and me. Diving into the Performance Report, which shows us important data about your site's performance in Google search results, such as how often it shows up in search results, its average position and click-through rate, and which queries are being made on mobile and desktop devices. One of the new features we have is access to up to 16 months of data as opposed to 3, which allows for better long-term SEO insights and allows for year-over-year comparisons. Jumping into the Index Coverage Report, which provides insight into pages that are being properly indexed by Google, pages that are being excluded from Google's indexing, are pages that are considered valid with warnings, and these are pages that are being indexed by Google and probably shouldn't be. And it also provides insight into our error pages, which are pages that should be showing up in Google and aren't. We have access to some pretty cool features. So if I go ahead and click into an error here, and I'll click into a specific error, you'll see that Search Console pulls up this little sidebar with called page details with some links to specific tools that will help me diagnose and fix my problem. Once I go ahead and I've identified and resolved my problem, I can scroll up here to validate fix. By clicking this, Google will recrawl the URL, reprocess any information it needs to on its end to validate that we did indeed resolve the error. Once that's resolved, you'll get a notification, letting you know everything's good to go. In addition, if you're a part of a team who, there are multiple hands in the pot and you need someone else's help to resolve one of these issues, you can click up here and share, get a shareable link, and you decide who has access to that and give access to folks across your organization to help you resolve these errors. Diving into the AMP Status Report, which helps you identify and fix errors that are preventing your AMP pages from showing up properly in Google search results, we can see that it's very similar to the Index Coverage Report, but it does have some additional features that provide immediate feedback on error processing and also provides an expanded log of resolved errors for future reference. While the new Search Console has some great features, it's still missing some of the essentials that you can access in the old Search Console version. To go access the original Search Console, simply go in the main navigation and click the item that says go to the old version. There you'll find all the features that you know and love. Nonetheless, the new Search Console experience is a great tool to keep in your tool belt, and I know that I'm really excited to see what the tool looks like once Google completes its development. So guys, that's all we have for today's video. I hope that you found it really useful, and I'll see you next time.